The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
In this video, you will see several luxury kitchen designs with black color combinations. And you will know why this black combination kitchen is so good as part of a home interior and how to combine it to be successful. A luxury kitchen with a black color combination brings an elegant and modern atmosphere. The use of black in kitchen design creates a luxurious and exclusive impression, adding a dramatic and appealing contrast. Here are some facts of a luxury kitchen with a black color combination. Elegant and modern, black color gives an elegant and modern touch to the kitchen design. Using high-quality materials like marble, granite, or dark wood enhances the overall luxurious feel. Here are some facts of a luxury kitchen design with a black color combination. One, black color adds an elegant and modern touch to the kitchen design. Incorporating high-quality materials such as marble, granite, or dark wood enhances the overall luxurious feel. 2. Combining black with elements like stainless steel or silver creates a striking contrast that adds visual appeal, especially when applied to kitchen appliances such as ovens, refrigerators, or faucets. 3. To achieve a balanced and visually appealing look in a luxury kitchen design featuring black color, effective lighting solutions like spotlights, ceiling lights, or under cabinet lighting are essential to counter the dramatic effect of black and ensure proper illumination. With the right combination of black color, high-quality materials, effective lighting, and thoughtful storage planning, a luxury kitchen with a black color combination can create an elegant, modern, and functional kitchen space.